Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today again we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we fix Infinix phone guys phone mobile network problem. Friends, you want to fix guys your phone mobile data setting, and friends you want to fix your phone mobile network problem. So how can we fix today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all, go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will scroll down and let's click on guys your phone system setting guys. System setting, we will on it. Let's click on the reset option setting and then tap here, and as you can see mobile data guys, we will tap here to fix guys mobile network after enter your device pin. So guys continue, and once you can see the setting guys, tap on reset option guys, tap here to reset. So friends, come back, and friends you can use guys your mobile network setting guys. So as like this guy we can fix mobile data setting in our instance one device. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching.